Welcome back to Sports Prophecy TV, guys, and I'm your host, Jay Taylor. And is Leon Bailey injured again? Is Leon Bailey out again? I can't recall where the player got this many injuries in one season when he was in Germany. What's going on in the EPL? Is that Leon Bailey is under pressure where he's coming back off injuries way too early? What's going on with Leon Bailey? That game yesterday, he was substituted around the 55th minute in that game. And that game was a competitive game. Aston Villa and Liverpool, they both ran at each other all 90. So that game yesterday, the intensity was quite amazing. That first goal that Aston Villa scored, Leon Bailey was on the ball and he had a shot where it was blocked. So in a way, he had a lot to do with that first goal. So the coach seems like he believes in Leon Bailey. However, I'm thinking if the pressure continues where Leon Bailey gets injured over and over, I think at Aston Villa, they will have to make that tough decision whether or not they want to keep the player, because you cannot keep paying a player who is not playing football. That's what it comes down to at the end of the day. We wish Leon Bailey all the best though, however, because he's one of those top Jamaican players that a lot of us think he has the potential to play for some of the top clubs in England, the Manchester Uniteds, the Chelseas, the Liverpools, the Barcelonas in Spain, the Madrids. A lot of fans do think that if Leon Bailey gets it right and he could get up to top shape, Leon Bailey could be one of those players. I made an out of the box comment last year where I thought that Leon Bailey should spend maybe a fraction of his offseason working with one of those top athletic coaches in Jamaica. If you look at an athlete like Usain Bolt was able to stay fit consistently over a long period of time. Usain Bolt had a quite extensive athletic career, and it's not very easy to stay in shape and run that fast for that long. So I think Leon Bailey should maybe try to pick up some nuggets from some of these athletic coaches that has worked with top athletes in Jamaica, where he could maybe develop some better habits, some better practices in where he gets his body in shape and how he handles his body over the long, rigorous season, because he cannot keep going down like this. However, hopefully it's nothing serious, because for Jamaica to do well this summer in the Gold Cup, Jamaica is going to need a healthy and a fit Leon Bailey going forward. So I know the Jamaican fans must have their fingers crossed, hoping that this is just another slight injury. Leon Bailey, though, seems to always come back on time when he comes off injury. However, the last Gold Cup, he was playing for Jamaica injured, and that's something we don't want going forward, where we never had Leon Bailey at his best. So good luck to the player. Hopefully it's nothing serious, and hopefully he's back up and running again, because his club is doing very well. And I think Aston Villa is shaping up to be a very competitive team going forward next year. So thank you again, guys, next season, however, for tuning into Sports Prophecy TV. I'm your host, Jay Taylor. Until next time, I'm out, guys.